So today we're looking at an electric toothbrush because you need a toothbrush, and I've been using electric toothbrushes for some time and they seem to work pretty good. RANVOO actually reached out to the guys that just recently we did their little neck fan. They reached out and said, hey, we have a new toothbrush. This is the RANVOO AirJet. I think it's the AirJet X5 toothbrush. So I said, okay, let's see how it is, see how it compares to, both my toothbrush and Monique's toothbrush. See if we think it's, something maybe you want to replace your toothbrush for, especially if you're at a point where you need to replace it. This one, it's kind of funny. Monique, we got two of them because I asked if they're going to send it to me. I said, I'd like two, one for me, one for Monique. And they did. Monique's already opened hers. She's already used it. She's been using it. And her first comment was when she brushed her teeth was that she didn't really like the brushing aspect as much as her other ones. Like I don't know if it was more comfortable or the brush size or whatever. She liked it better on the other one. But she's used it for a couple days now. And it's her tone's kind of changed a little bit in regards to the fact that she's like, actually, I like this one better. Plus, it makes my teeth feel cleaner. Not just are they cleaner, but it makes your teeth feel cleaner, which was kind of cool because they do have a whole bunch of different modes. And I know on my toothbrush, which again, not, all electric toothbrushes have a fair price to them, but maybe $150, $160. It was good. The vibration's fine. But even when I just looked at the vibration of this, where you actually look at the brush, I was like, wow, that's nuts. That's pretty crazy. Plus it has a whole bunch of other features, which we'll talk about after I go and actually have an opportunity myself to try this. Now this feels very much, anybody who's opened like an Apple Watch box, this feels very much like that, where you kind of just crack this part open and out it comes, right? Very, very Apple-y. That's okay. Inside the box, you are going to get, your AirJet, reaches deeper, cleans better. Who doesn't want that? A little bit of English, a little bit of other languages. Teeth are guarded by science, not luck. Good to know. Anyways, in here, we're going to get number one. We're going to get your brush heads. Now, they don't just send you one brush head. No, they send you 3 brush heads, which again, very cool because the different brush heads are actually designed for different purposes depending on you and what you actually want out of your toothbrush. AirJet reaches deeper, cleans better. And if you look at this is them. Here's your 3 right here. You'll see that this one is your soft gum care brush head. So if you're someone that maybe, their gums bleed a lot, probably a good option. Next one is going to be your balanced multi-effect brush head. This is probably the one that I would primarily use. I think this is the one that if you don't have sensitive gums, this is probably the one you're going to go with. And then lastly, they have the diamond whitening brush head. This one right here. My guess is this is going to be the one with the hardest bristles on it so that it really gets in there and cleans. Anyways, I love the fact that they give you 3 different ones right off the bat. You can figure out what you want, switch them around, take them off, change them up, live your best life, I guess. And then we get this, right? The AirJet electric toothbrush. Now, I thought it was called the X5. Maybe it's just called the AirJet. AirJet reaches deeper, cleans better. All right, RANVOO. I've seen it, but you haven't. Anyways, this little QR code on the front, just so you know, there is no app that I can find. This brings you to the warranty page. So you can actually sign up for your warranty, something you should probably do. But look at that. That's like, it's like a spaceship. That's what that's like. And you're gonna get, of course, your little USB. Take that, move that over there. So this, first off, this is what you and I would stick on the wall, right? So we stick this on the wall, make sure it's close to a charging brick, somewhere that we can actually plug this in. USB-A to USB-C, right? This is going to come off here. I won't do it right now until I'm closer to where we actually going to set this up in the bathroom. There's your USB-C connector right there. This is going to come off. This allows you to stick it on there. Yeah, so there's a little magnet right there. We can just do that. So this basically is what we get on the wall. We stick this, which is nice. We're not sticking this big bulky thing. We're just sticking this on the wall. Once that's stuck, you'll see it clicks in there. Magnetic, very nice. Plug, cool. And then this, which is your toothbrush, basically it's like an Apple Watch, right? Where it has that same kind of dome on the back. So it sits like this. Yeah, right? Very cool. Get the little screen off. right here. What? Pretty, pretty, pretty. I'm actually going to just take this so I don't lose this cable. Not that I don't have a million of them, but I'm just going to take that and stick that there. Very nice. We both got the same color. We both got gray. Now, I do believe they do come in different colors. Like they have like a gray and other colors. I think they have like a purple. I'm not too sure. But nice and simple here, right? Take it off. And I just want to show you. I'll take one of them. I'll take the mid. We'll go mid. Just connect this somehow. It's like a nice little game. There's our little mid. Yes. Take that on there. That's just going to go right on there. So I want you guys to make sure you can see that. Yes. So we just tap this, I think, to turn it on. Yeah. And you'll see you get soft. You can kind of see the brush, right? Soft. You've got, it has a little timer on there so you can see how long you've been brushing your teeth for. We go to the next one. Clean. And that one's, hear it? Right? Like that one's got some craziness to it, for sure. Then we got white. Look at that. It's like a little jackhammer. It's just going to town. You take that one with that super diamond cut one over here. That's going to be something. That camera just died. Anyway, right there, yeah? That's going to be something. And then the last one that you get, I think you get one more, is foam. So the foam one, supposedly, of course, and again, I haven't tested this for sure. You know, you get your toothbrush or your toothpaste and you got the liquid in your mouth. This is going to foam it up. So it gives you extra clean. Plus, and you guys can't see this on camera, but there's actually air coming out of the center of this. So that air that comes out of the center of it does two things. First off, it blows air. Another one is because it actually is in your mouth with other liquid, it actually blows the liquid back on your teeth to help it clean even more. So, and then you have, I think, just off. Right. So each one of the settings, no, yeah, it has a little bit of air. Not much on the other ones, but a little bit. But when you get to that foam one, that's the one that probably has the most amount of air in it. So if you're maybe you're just going to the football game, you just, that's nice. That's kind of nice. That's weird. Anyways, hold this, turn it off. Very cool. Take these off again when you don't need them. Set it on my charger. I'm gonna go use this the next couple days, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Yeah, let you know if I think it's worth an upgrade for your teeth health. All right, so we're back, and I've been using the AirJet X5 for about 2 months. And the simple question is, are these toothbrushes actually any good? And I say I've been using it. Me and Monique have been using it. Honestly, these have turned out to be some of the best electric toothbrushes both of us have used up till this point. Now, before switching to the AirJet, we were using electric toothbrushes from both Philips and Aquasonic. Philips, Monique, Aquasonic, myself. They were both good toothbrushes, and we never felt that they were doing a bad job. But after 2 months with the AirJet, both of us have noticed a clear improvement in how clean our teeth feel after we actually brush using this new brush. And that is probably the biggest compliment we can physically give this toothbrush. The combination of sonic brushing and RANVOO's AirJet technology creates an experience, I think, that feels noticeably different from what you and I experience with a traditional electric toothbrush. It actually helps circulate the toothpaste all around inside your mouth. And when you actually finish brushing, your teeth feel exceptionally clean and exceptionally smooth, which I've never really experienced from something else. And when we compared it with our older Philips and Aquasonic toothbrushes, you know, the difference has been really noticeable for both of us. So the AirJet seems to clean more thoroughly, particularly around the gum line, and I would say between the teeth. Now, of course, this is 100% based on both of our own personal experiences rather than any kind of scientific test. But again, after using these consistently as our go-to toothbrushes for the past 2 months, neither of us actually wants to go back to our old toothbrushes. And what also surprised me is that the AirJet provides that, I want to say, deeper cleaning feeling without actually being an overly aggressive cleaning in your mouth on your teeth. because some electric toothbrushes seem to rely mostly on their strong vibrations. And the AirJet feels more, I want to say, refined. It's powerful enough to leave your teeth feeling, thoroughly clean, but it is still comfortable enough to use every day. And when I was using it a lot of times, especially on some of the clean modes, I was like, it feels really soft. Now, I also really like just the overall design of the AirJet toothbrush. The toothbrush feels premium in your hand. Display gives it a modern look, and the magnetic wall mount, that's going to help just keep it neatly stored and off the bathroom counter, which is kind of nice. We haven't actually mounted ours, but it would, I guess. Now, battery life has also been excellent after about 2 months of regular use. Charging has not been something that we've had to worry about, very often. A lot of times we just charge it just because we figure it's probably time. The different brushing modes are definitely really useful as well. You can choose a gentler setting or something more powerful depending on your preference or depending on what kind of cleaning you actually want to do on your teeth. There is, however, one area that I think could possibly be improved, and that area is that the touch screen itself on the toothbrush could be more responsive. There definitely have been a few times when changing, let's say, modes or turning the toothbrush on and off, that I had to give it a couple extra taps or swipes or whatever just to get it into that mode, or again, to turn it on, turn it off. Now, that's not a deal breaker by any means, and you do get used to it, but it is one part of the experience that does not feel quite as polished, I'd say, as the rest of the toothbrush feels. But other than that, both Monique and I have been genuinely impressed with this. And again, as I said before, I have no reason to go back to our old ones. The AirJet has completely replaced both of our Philips and our Aquasonic toothbrushes. And the improvement, again, in cleaning has been noticeable for both of us. And neither of us wanted or want to actually switch back. So at this point, I think, personally, from what I've tested in the past, these are the best toothbrushes, again, that we have used. I'm not saying they're the best ones out there, but for us, the best we've used. And I think if you're looking for a premium electric toothbrush that definitely feels genuinely different from the usual options out there, the AirJet from RANVOO is definitely one of those toothbrushes that you should consider. Anyways, I will leave links down below if you guys want to go check it out. And as always, if you have any questions about the AirJet, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get some answers for you. Anyways, as I said, links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you lovely folks next video. I'm out. Later.